What does paganism mean? Paganism derives from the Latin word paganus, which means a villager or rural dweller. This term was used during the Roman Empire to describe rural people who remained loyal to their traditional religions, while Christianity spread in urban areas. In general, paganism refers to nature-centered and polytheistic religions. In other words, it's a worldview that believes in multiple gods or spiritual entities rather than a single deity. 2. Historical background. Pagan beliefs have emerged in various forms throughout history, across different cultures. Here are some prominent pagan belief systems. Ancient Greece and Rome, known for their polytheistic religions featuring gods like Zeus, Athena, and Mars. Celtic paganism, centered on nature spirits, druids, and rituals tied to seasonal cycles. Norse mythology, recognized for gods like Odin, Thor, and Loki from Viking traditions. Ancient Anatolia and Mesopotamia, polytheistic beliefs from civilizations like the Hittites, Assyrians, and Babylonians. These beliefs were shaped by natural events, seasons, and the cycles of human life. Third key themes in paganism. Understanding. Paganism requires looking at its main themes. Connection with nature. Nature is sacred in pagan beliefs. Trees, rivers, mountains, and celestial elements hold special significance. Rituals and ceremonies. Celebrations based on seasonal cycles, harvest festivals, and ceremonies are integral to pagan culture. Polytheism. Each deity is responsible for different natural phenomena or aspects of human life. Spirituality and magic. Many forms of paganism incorporate magic, divination, and the use of symbols. 4. Modern paganism. Today, paganism has been revived as a modern spiritual movement. Known as neo-paganism, this revival adapts ancient pagan beliefs to the contemporary world. Some modern pagan movements include Wicca, a nature-centered belief system known for its magical practices and lunar rituals. Druidry, evolved from Celtic paganism. Asatru, a modern movement based on Norse paganism. Modern pagans emphasize ecology, nature conservation, and individual spirituality. 5. Misconceptions. About paganism. Paganism is often misunderstood and faces various prejudices. Here are some common misconceptions. It's not atheism. Paganism believes in deities and should not be confused with atheism. It doesn't involve dark rituals. Paganism is generally a positive and nature-harmonious belief system. Negative or dark connotations usually stem from misconceptions. 6th conclusion. How did paganism influence the world? Pagan beliefs have had a profound impact on art, literature, and modern spirituality. Many mythological stories still resonate in popular culture today. Paganism symbolizes respect for nature and humanity's desire to understand its connection to the universe. If you'd like to learn more about paganism, share your thoughts in the comments or let us know what specific topics you'd like us to delve into. See you in the next video, and goodbye for now.